This is what you're going to do for the screencast. This is pretty straightforward. What I want you to do first is I want you to start with opening up this New Zealand brochure that you created. So you have the 4 pages. What I'd like you to do is be in preview mode. So remember, that's W. So this is normal mode where it's showing you the pasteboard and all the guides and frames. W is the preview mode. What I'd recommend doing, because I do this all the time, I end up putting W's inside of the boxes because I happen to have like my text frame in there. I hit W and it adds a W to the box. What I'd recommend doing is just click on the outside of the baseboard. You just double click on it. It makes sure that you're not in a box anymore. Then hit W. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in on the first one. And what I want you to do is I want you to show me, the first page. And move down. Show me your second spread. What I'm really looking for is I'm just looking to see, do you have all the stuff in place? And do you have the bird in there? Now, if you use Cameo, it's going to be black. I'm okay with that. I want to see the quote. Then on this side, I want to see that there's a logo. I want to see the headlines. I want to see the text down here. And then what I want to see is some of the behind the scenes part. So what you'll do is you'll open this, show me all of that, then go to your styles and go to your paragraph style. And I want to see that you have the VNZ body copy and the VNZ heading. And the way that I want to test this, actually, I don't even want to test it. That's fine. Then what you'll do is you will open up your PDF file that you exported. It's this New Zealand. And I just want to see the one that has the crop marks. Those are those pieces in the corner. You just scroll through. Just want to see that you've got crop marks. I also want to check just to see if this is a spread or if you made a mistake and you separated it out as pages. So you can go back and fix that. If you didn't, just re-export it as a spread. And then last one, you'll close that. Then you'll show me the packaged folder, because I don't want you to turn this one in, but this packaged folder, I want to see that it automatically created the 2 InDesign documents. It gathered up all of the images that were being used, and it gathered up whatever fonts you were using for that one. And then and that's all I need you to do for the New Zealand one. For the brochure, the interior design brochure, that one is even easier. All I want to do is I want to see the InDesign document, but I want to see that this has 0 errors. So what you're going to want to do is if you happen to see an error, this little red stop sign, click on here and go to pre-flight. Check to see, oh, I have overset text. So when I replaced these fonts, I didn't notice that when I double click on this one, that box has more text. So I'm just going to click on that one and drag it down and double click and it'll snap it back into place. Looks like that one's got overset text. That just means there's more text than will fit. And then if I can't find where the other one is, over here in this pre-flight panel that I got from down here, I can just double click on it and it takes me right there and selects it. This is super useful as a designer because when you're working on a large document, you won't always notice that happened. So getting to the point where there's 0 errors is huge for that. All right, and I'll close that. Once I can see that you're like, I've got no errors, then you're good. What I really want, again, is this. Show me the brochure in preview mode. Let me see all of the pages. Show me the paragraph styles that you have them named. Show me the PDF. And tell me some of the things that you had that were challenging, or some of the things that were a little tricky, or some of the things that worked really nice. And then on the interior design one, show me the fact that this has no errors. And I want to be able to see your package file so I can see that it was exported correctly. I have the written instructions as well as this video set of instructions. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. But you'll send me a public Please, public. I still get probably about 4 people every single submission on the screencast that give me a private video. I need it to be public, and send that to me. And that's all you have to do for this one.